Hello everybody, it's Mimi from Time from the Holidays. Happy July 10th to you and happy Pina Colada Day. Pina Colada actually means strained pineapple in Spanish. The sweet cocktail was created by bartender Ramon Manchito Marrero in 1954 in the city of San Juan in Puerto Rico. Although there are other claims as well that somebody else made it. But anyway, Manchito claims to have originally made these cool drinks just for a cool treat on a hot day, originally without alcohol. He used coconut cream, pineapple juice, and some crushed ice, and they were kind of like served as a milkshake, but of course, eventually rum was added. He was working as a bartender at the Caribe Hilton Hotel in Puerto Rico when he came up with this drink. The other story goes that it was actually a pirate. Yep, I said a pirate named Robert Confresi that served a pina colada to his crew in the 1800s. He claims that he came up with the drink of pineapple and coconut cream and rum to serve to his crew to keep morale up. And yet a third claim to the pina colada hails from Birachina, a restaurant in Puerto Rico that says a Spanish bartender named Don Ramon Portes Mingo in 1963 created what became the world's famous drink, the Pina Colada. So, you can pick whatever story you want. We'll stick with the first one. But anyway, many celebrities such as Dean Martin, John Wayne, Joan Crawford, Sammy Davis Jr. were all said to really love this cocktail when they went to the hotel in Puerto Rico. In 1978, the Pina Colada was declared the official drink of Puerto Rico. Caribe Hilton was presented with a proclamation in 2004 in honor of the 50th anniversary of the Pina Colada. And it was signed by Governor Celia Maria Calderon. In 1979, Rupert Holmes wrote his famous song about the drink, Escape, aka the Pina Colada song. But the song originally didn't even include the words Pina Colada. Originally, it was going to say, if you like Humphrey Bogart and Getting Caught in the Rain. Do you think it would have still been as popular with Humphrey Bogart in there instead of Pina Colada? So anyway, in 2017, the Selena Rosa restaurant in New York City unveiled what they called the largest Pina Colada ever made in history. It was a 140-gallon, 6-foot glass of Pina Colada that had to be mixed in a cement truck. So anyway, that's about it. We wish you a happy Pina Colada Day. Here's a recipe for you of 1 ounce coconut cream, 1 ounce white rum, 3 ounce pineapple juice, and you can garnish it with a pineapple slice, a maraschino cherry, and of course stick one of those cute umbrellas in there. Some people also add dark rum to it. Do it however you like it, but just enjoy the day. Happy Pina Colada Day to you.